Is this thing on? Should I wipe you off a little bit? So here's the deal. It's Labor Day weekend and I want to do something with my hair. Obviously in my last video I did a lock bob. I had that in for about a week. I took my lock bob down because I had to give a presentation at work, and this is what we got. We got these nice cute crinkles, super cute. I'll insert a video here of how I styled my hair for work this week. But now that it's the weekend, I want to do something else. So what I was thinking, and I don't even know if this video is going to work out or what's going to happen, but I'm thinking I wanted to do like 3 twists in the front and then a high ponytail. I know what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like a cute little festive skirt and an off the shoulder shirt, and so I kind of know that I want my hair up, and I'm gonna do a big earring, and hopefully that whole look comes together in this video. Yeah, I figure if I'm gonna be learning how to style my hair, I might as well record myself for the process. So if you want to see more, just keep watching. We're gonna roll the intro. Roll the intro. Roll the intro. This girl on TikTok, her name's Dee Dee. My mom's name is Dee Dee.
Let's get started. If you're on session, you're locked in 2, and then you're going to be a whole bird twist. So to begin our bird twist, we're going to take the 2 locks in the front, and begin a 2 strand twist. After that, you're going to pull a lock from the left first and the right. Don't pull it over.
So she basically did a step-by-step of like how to do it, and it looks easy enough. First thing I'm gonna do is kind of wet up the front so that we can re-twist it again. So right now I'm just spraying the front because the front needs to be kind of cleaned up anyways. Somebody's texting me. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of my lock-in gel or my lock-in braid gel to re-slick these down so that they're just nice and slick. Twisting your hair with nails is a nightmare. All right, so now that these two are tight, she said to start by 2 strand twisting. That looks good already. So I'm just gonna twist these 2 together, like maybe like 3 or 4 times. Okay. So I retwisted those 2 together, and then she said after you do that, she said you're gonna pull from the left and pull from the right. So I'm gonna take this one, and then she said wrap it around. So I'm gonna wrap this around, and then she said take this one and wrap it around all of those. And then as you're wrapping it around, you keep them all together. So I need to pull another one from this side. So I'm gonna take this one and wrap it around. And I'm gonna take this one and wrap it around. Oh my God, I'm doing it! And then I'm gonna go ahead and rubber band right here so that I don't lose my progress. So I'm just gonna rubber band this. I hope y'all can see that. This is my first time doing this though. I kinda did it. Alright, let's do the front. So with these, I'm gonna do the middle. I'm gonna do a middle one now. Okay, and I'm gonna rubber band that so we don't lose our progress. Can y'all see that? Then after I rubber band it, I pull it so it's tighter. So now we got 2 barrel twists here. Oh, wow, that actually looks really good. I actually did that. Wow, when you start doing your own hair, you realize it's not even that hard. Yeah, I'm really doing this. This is crazy. I literally just taught myself in like less than an hour. Oh my god, this is so cute. This one's a little rough, I feel, but it's still fine. But these, clean. But what I originally was gonna do is do the barrels, and then I was gonna put it all up. Do a high ponytail. Ooh, this is tight though. This is tight, but it's so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? I done learned how to barrel twist my own freaking hair. What y'all think, up or down? This is so cute. It came out exactly how I wanted. So I had to take the ponytail down because it's just way too tight. I can't sleep with my hair up. The barrel twists themselves are a little tight, but when I put it in that big ponytail, it gets even tighter. So I would say when you're doing your barrel twists, make sure that you don't pull them too tight. Like I said, I'm gonna tie this down tonight, and then tomorrow I'm actually going out. So once I do my makeup and I get dressed and stuff like that, I'll show y'all what the final product looks like, okay? So keep watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all, I totally forgot to come back on here. Now I have to walk out the house like now. I need to leave like now. But this is the final look. I hope y'all can see that. I literally was about to walk out the house and I was like, oh my god, I forgot to get back on YouTube. I forgot to finish my YouTube video. But this is what it looks like. I took plenty more TikToks. I took a lot of pictures, so I will definitely include that somewhere in this video. I have to leave like right now. Anyways, this is the final look. So I ended up doing 3 barrel rolls, the middle and 2 on the side, and then I put my hair half up, half down. And so that's how I accomplished this. I like doing the half up, half down because it makes your ponytail look longer, especially when I flip it back like that. I feel like that's really cute. Oh my god, I forgot to put perfume on. I am wilding. What time is it? Okay, I gotta go. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe, turn my notifications on so you don't miss my videos, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye. I gotta go.